In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website using Plesk. If you're looking to set up a WordPress site and you're using Plesk as your hosting control panel, you've come to the right place. I'll guide you through the entire process, from logging into Plesk to accessing your brand new WordPress site. Let's begin by logging into your Plesk control panel. You'll want to access this by typing in your domain name followed by :8443, or use the special URL link provided by your hosting provider for direct access. Once you're at the Plesk login page, enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you're going to click on the Websites and Domains option. This section is where all the magic happens, as it's essentially the control center for your website activities. Now, we're going to add a new domain. To do this, click on the Add Domain button. When prompted, enter the domain name you wish to use, such as example.com, and adjust any settings as per your preference. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, click OK. This action will create your domain within Plesk, setting the stage for the next step. With your domain created, the next task is to install WordPress. You'll be redirected automatically back to the Websites and Domains page. Look for the WordPress icon. It's usually quite prominent. Clicking on this will bring up the WordPress installation options. Click on the Install button to get started. As you initiate the installation, a set of details will need your attention. First, decide on the installation path. Leave it blank if you want WordPress installed in the root directory, or specify if you prefer a subdirectory. Next is your website title. This is the name of your site, so choose something that reflects the essence of your brand or content. After that, decide on an admin username. This is what you will use to log into your WordPress dashboard, so ensure it's unique and secure. You'll need to set a strong password to protect your site from unauthorized access. And don't forget the admin email. Put an address that you actively monitor, as it will receive important notifications. Once all details are filled in, click Install to start the process. Upon completion, your WordPress site will be ready to explore and customize. To access your new WordPress dashboard, open a new browser tab and go to your domain followed by WP admin. You'll then see the WordPress login screen. Just enter the admin username and password you set earlier. That's it! You've successfully created a WordPress website through Plesk. Now you're free to explore themes, plugins, and start creating content for your site. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create.